Hello everyone, welcome to Mayank Lawholic. In this video, we will discuss the case law MCQs related questions of Hindu Marriage Act. So let's get started. Question number 1. Which of the following section of Hindu Marriage Act was challenged in the case of Lakshmi Ammal versus Ramaswamy Naikkar? Answer is Section 11. In which of the following cases it was held that matrimonial rights are not violative of Article 14 and Article 21 of the Constitution? Correct answer is Saroj versus Sudarshan. A Hindu husband converting to Islam and marrying again will be guilty of bigamy. It was held in which of the following case? Correct answer is C. Sarla Mudgal versus Union of India. The leading case of Hindu husbands entering second marriage on conversion to Islam is Sarla Mudgal's case 1995. In which case Supreme Court held that cohabitation leads to presumption that a person are living as husband and wife? Correct answer is A. Bal Subramaniam versus Suratayam, AIR 1992. In which of the following case Supreme Court held that even the wife of a void marriage is entitled to maintenance? Correct answer is Chandra Dhawan versus Jawaharlal Dhawan 1993. In which case the Supreme Court held that a relationship between the nature of a marriage under the Domestic Violence Act 2005 must also fulfill some basic criteria. Merely spending weekends together or one night would not make it a domestic relationship. Here the correct answer is D. Velluswamy versus Pachiyammal. In which of the following case the Supreme Court held, while guaranteeing the fundamental right to freedom of religion, explanation second of Article 25 Clause 2 Clause B made it clear that reference to Hindus shall be constructed as including a reference to person professing the Sikh, Jain or Buddhist religion, and the reference to Hindu religious institution shall be constructed accordingly. Correct answer is Shastri Yagna Purish Das Ji versus Mooldar Bhandar Das Vaishya, AIR 1966. In the case of Menaka Gandhi versus Indira Gandhi 1984, it was held that Sanjay Gandhi was a Hindu because one of his parents, namely mother, was a Hindu and she had openly brought up Sanjay as a Hindu. Registration of marriage. Srimati Seema versus Ashwini Kumar, AIR 2006. The following issue has been discussed by the Supreme Court. Registration of marriages. In which of the following case the Supreme Court has directed that marriages of all person belongs to any religion be registered in their respective states where marriage is solemnized if they are citizens of India? Correct answer is Seema versus Ashwini Kumar. The marriage of all persons who are citizens of India belonging to various religions should be made compulsorily registrable in their respective states, and where the marriage is solemnized was held by the Supreme Court in the case of Seema versus Ashwini Kumar. Marriage of all persons who are citizens of India belonging to various religions should be made compulsorily registrable in their respective states where the marriage is solemnized. This was held by the Supreme Court in Seema versus Ashwini Kumar. The constitutional validity of Section 9 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 was tested in A. Saroj Rani versus Sudarshan, AIR 1984. T. Sarita versus Venkat Subbiah is a case relating to conjugal rights. Section 9 of Hindu Marriage Act 1955 was held to be intra vires the Constitution by the Supreme Court in the case of Saroj Rani versus Sudarshan Kumar. Section 9 of Hindu Marriage Act 1955 has been declared unconstitutional by High Court in a case T. Sarita versus T. Venkatesh Subbiah, in which case the question of constitutional validity of Section 9 of Hindu Marriage Act 1955 came for the consideration for the first time. Correct answer is T. Sarita versus T. Venkata Subbiah. Section 9 of Hindu Marriage Act 1955 was held to be intra vires by the Constitution by the Supreme Court in the case of Saroj Rani versus Sudarshan. Chandra versus Suresh, AIR 1971, Delhi 208 deals with the decree of judicial separation. In Bipin Chandra versus Prabhavati, AIR 1957, the Supreme Court explained the concept of desertion. Lakshman Uttam Chand Kriplani versus Meena is a leading decision of the Supreme Court on the ground of desertion. Which one of the following cases decided by the Supreme Court is related to mental cruelty? Correct answer is B. Dastane versus Dastane. Dastane versus Dastane is a leading decision of the Supreme Court on the point of cruelty. The case relating to constructive desertion is Jyotish Chandra versus Meera. While examining the amplitude of cruelty for the purpose of Hindu Marriage Act 1955, The Honorable Supreme Court, in which of the following leading cases, laid down broad parameters which may be relevant in dealing with the case of mental cruelty? Here the correct answer is Samar Ghosh versus Jaya Ghosh, 2007. Under Hindu law, Geeta Jagdish Mangatani versus Jagdish Mangatani AIR 2005 is a case of desertion. In which of the following case, the Supreme Court held the demand of dowry, which is prohibited under law, amounts to cruelty and also a ground for dissolution of marriage? Here the correct answer is Shobha Rani versus Madhukar Reddy AIR 1998, in which case the Supreme Court held that staying together under the same roof is not a precondition for mental cruelty. Here the correct answer is K. Srinivas Rao versus D.A. Deepa. V. Tulusamma versus V. Shesha Reddy is a leading decision of the Supreme Court on the provision of Section 14 of the Act. Dastane versus Dastane is a leading case by the Supreme Court relating to cruelty. Match list 1 and list 2 and indicate a correct answer using the quotes given below. In list 1, questions are Nijawan versus Nijawan, B. Ashok Hurra versus Rupa Hurra, C. Dastane versus Dastane, and D. T. Sarita versus State of Andhra Pradesh. Nijawan versus Nijawan, correct answer is desertion. B. Ashok Hurra versus Rupa Hurra, here the correct answer is restitution of conjugal rights. And C. Dastane versus Dastane, the correct answer is cruelty. And D. T. Sarita versus State of Andhra Pradesh, the correct answer is divorce by mutual consent. Match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer using the quotes given below. List 1 consists of cases and list 2 consists of grounds. In list 1, options are A. Ram Narayan versus Rameshwari, B. Lachman versus Meena, C. Dastane versus Dastane, and D. Mr. X versus hospital. Here the correct match for the questions are Ram Narayan versus Rameshwari, correct answer is insanity, ground है ये. Lachman versus Meena, the correct answer is desertion. Dastane versus Dastane, the correct answer is cruelty. Mr. X versus hospital, Z. Here the correct answer is venereal disease. Match the list 1 and list 2 and find the correct answer by using the quotes given below. List 1 consists of A. Dastane versus Dastane, B. Iqbal Wano versus State of UP, C. Lily Thomas versus Union of India, and D. Harvinder Kaur versus Harmander Singh. The correct match is Dastane versus Dastane. We have already discussed. It will be mental cruelty. And Iqbal Bano versus State of UP. Correct answer is maintenance of Muslim wife. Lily Thomas versus Union of India. This is related to bigamy. And the last option, Harvinder Kaur versus Harmander Singh, restitution of conjugal rights. Correct match is mental cruelty, A. Iqbal Bano versus State of UP, maintenance of Muslim wife. Lily Thomas versus Union of India, bigamy. And Harminder Kaur versus Harmander Kaur, restitution of conjugal rights. Anil Kumar Jain versus Maya Jain, AIR 2010, Supreme Court is a case relating to the following provision of Hindu Marriage Act 1955. The correct answer is Section 13B. Mother of a Hindu child was declared by the apex court to be the natural guardian during the lifetime of his or her father in Geeta Hariharan versus the Reserve Bank of India. Important question here. The adoption is to be proved as a fact and the burden is on the person who asserts is held in which of the following case? Here the correct answer is Kishori Lal versus Chaltibai. Principles in the case of Jijabai Vittal Rao Gajare versus Pathan Khan, AIR 1971, Supreme Court is related within minority and guardianship. In ABC versus the State of NCT Delhi 2015, the Supreme Court has held that Section 7 and Section 11 of the Guardians and Wards Act 1890 do not necessarily require notice to be sent to the unwilling father and therefore their mother of a child born outside of wedlock can be bestowed guardianship. In which of the following cases, Supreme Court held that if a father is wholly indifferent to the matters of the minor or is physically unable to take care of minor for any reason whatsoever, the father can be considered to be absent within the meaning of Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act 1956. Here the correct answer is Geeta Hariharan versus Reserve Bank of India, AIR 1999. In which case Supreme Court held that unwed mother can be the sole guardian of a child. Correct answer is ABC versus State of NCT of Delhi. A Hindu mother can be a natural guardian of her minor child during the life of a father of her child if he is not taking due care of the child. This was held by the Supreme Court in a case of Geeta Hariharan versus Reserve Bank of India. Match list 1 and list 2. Geeta Hariharan versus Reserve Bank of India in list 1. Option B, Kartar Singh through Bachchan Singh versus Surjan Singh and Naveen Kohli, and option D, A. Jayachandra versus Anil Kaur. As we have already discussed in Geeta Hariharan versus Reserve Bank of India, here the correct answer is guardianship. Kartar Singh through Bachchan Singh versus Surjan Singh, correct answer is adoption. And Naveen Kohli, correct answer is irrevocable breakdown of marriage recommended. And D, Jayachandra versus Anil Kaur, here the correct answer is cruelty explained. The word after in section 6 clause A of Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act 1956 need not necessarily mean after the lifetime, but in the absence of was held in the following case. Correct answer is C, Geeta Hariharan versus Reserve Bank of India. Under which of the following cases Supreme Court held that we are not prepared to express any definite opinion on the question whether there can be two Karta of a joint Hindu family? The correct answer is Muraka Properties versus Biharilal Muraka. Match the cases mentioned in list 1 with the legal issues mentioned in list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. List 1 question options are A, Tulasamma versus Sheshareddy, B, John Vellamutton versus Union of India, C, R. Kantha versus Union of India, and D, Sandhya versus Union of India. The correct match for these options are Tulasamman versus Sheshareddy. Correct answer is limited estate of a woman becomes absolute estate. John Vellamutton versus Union of India, the correct answer is section 118 of the Indian Succession Act 1925 is unconstitutional. In R. Kantha versus Union of India, the correct answer is right of a daughter to reopen the partition is valid. Sandhya versus Union of India, the correct answer is a Hindu having a daughter under the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956. Tagore versus Tagore laid down which one of the following rule of law? Option number A Hindu cannot dispose of his property by gift, intervene in favor of an unborn child. The proposition of law laid down in Tulasamma versus Seshireddy AIR 1977 Supreme Court relates to right of a female Hindu subsections 1 and 2 of section 14 of the Hindu Succession Act. Jurisdiction of family court applies which of the following community? Lingyats, Muslim and Buddhists, all of these. In Hindu law, the clear proof of usage will outweigh the written text of law. This statement was made in the case of Collector of Madurai versus Mottu Ramalinga, 1868. A clear proof of usage will outweigh the written text of law. It was observed in Collector of Madurai versus Mottu Ramalinga. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court of India has not addressed the issue of Uniform Civil Code? The correct answer is Ramesh Chandra versus Savitri. In which of the following cases Supreme Court held that it is now well established that in the absence of any rule of Hindu law, the court have authority to decide cases on the principle of justice, equity and good conscience? The correct answer is A, Gurmat versus Kamalabai. Which one of the following statements are correct? In Harvinder Kaur versus Harminder Singh Chaudhary, the Supreme Court rejected a plea that personal law was discriminatory towards gender equality in India. It also observed that introduction of constitutional law into personal laws was appropriate. This is not the correct answer. Selvi versus State of Karnataka deals with the right of transgender. This is also not the right answer. Shreya Singhal versus Union of India deals with the right to freedom of speech and expression. This is correct answer. This question is also related to Information Technology Act. Right answer. Sarla Mudgal and other versus Union of India deals with the right of converted Christian women. This is also the right answer. So 3 and 4 is the correct answer. Match list 1 and list 2. List 1 consists options of option A Nijwahan versus Nijwahan, B Daniel Latif versus Union of India, C Hussain Ara versus Zubaida Begum, and D Gujarat Women Workers Association case. Here the correct answer is for A Nijwahan versus Nijwahan. Correct answer is cruelty. Daniel Latifi versus Union of India. Correct answer is maintenance. Hussain Ara versus Zubaida Begum. The correct answer is dowry. And Gujarat Women Workers Association case is related to Uniform Civil Code. Correct answer is D. Match the cases mentioned in list 1 and with the principal oblique provisions contained in list 2 and select the correct answer. List 1 consists of Ashok Hurra versus Rupa Hurra, B Geeta Hariharan versus RBI, C Lily Thomas versus Union of India, and T Sarita versus T Venkatesh Chabaiya. Ashok Hurra versus Rupa Hurra, the correct answer is divorce by mutual consent. Geeta Hariharan versus RBI, here the correct answer is mother as a natural guardian. Lily Thomas versus Union of India, the correct answer is Uniform Civil Code. And T. Sarita versus Venkatesabbayya, the correct answer is restitution of conjugal rights. That's all. These were the questions of Hindu Marriage Act 1955 related to case laws. We are regularly making videos. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.